This how to 1 minute will show you how to change full name or real name on Xbox. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to change your Xbox account name. And the process will be similar for computer, Android and iOS device. First of all, on your device, open a browser and open xbox.com. Once you are here, click on sign in to log into your Xbox account. Now click on your profile photo and click on My Microsoft account. Once you are in this page, click on your information. And here you will get your Xbox account name. To change your name, click on edit name, and here you will get the option where you can easily update or change your Xbox account name. After changing the name, make sure to enter the captcha here, click on save, and your account name will be changed. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.